Hey Monkey family, hope everyone's doing well. Checking in on the project and seeing what's happening. And as we know, there's a continued market dip here. Everything's in the red. People seem to be panicking, but Monkey's actually looking great overall, all things considered. I've got the chart pulled up here. We're at 514,000 market cap, and which is down 7% over the last 24 hours. But we can see the broad market is also down. Bitcoin down to 96,000, but you can see looks like it may have bounced up a bit from 94,500. And so maybe things are starting to turn a little bit. We have a little bit of bounce off that bottom and then some sideways trading for the last few hours. So that's looking good. Same thing with memes here. You can see the overall meme market sort of hit a bottom here, hopefully, and has gradually recovering. And I'm hoping that means the same thing for Monkey soon. The benefit of having a strong community is that the chart holds up nicely, and I think we're really in a kind of consolidation zone here after finally, hopefully, hitting the local bottom here at 450,000. So things looking good overall, and project solid. Thesis hasn't changed. We're still holding, and I know there's a lot of negativity out there, but I think we should just stay positive and keep working. And a correction to the overall crypto market is normal, and obviously our meme coins are going to follow the broader market. So people saying it's over and all that, I think it might be a little overblown. That's just my opinion, though. To me, the key is to learn from the past. There's been multiple dips over the years, huge pullbacks before huge runs, and so I think this is all normal. We'll look at some quotes from folks that believe the same thing, and you can see here if you look just even a month ago, you can see here in October. From here, this sort of downward trend here looks a lot similar to this. And you can see what happened. We bounce back, and I think we do the same and bounce back up, past the 1.5 or so million that we reached a couple weeks ago. So I'm feeling good about it, guys. Everything looks good to me. I'm not losing faith. Still believe, still going to continue shilling and working this bag, and I think we come back even stronger at some point. So patience is key here. All right, let's look at some of the posts here on X. Rand Neuner just an hour ago says bull markets don't end like this. I've been around for multiple bull bear markets. 2001.com, 2008 housing, 2017 crypto, 2021 crypto, etc. When bull markets end, either something breaks or belief in the asset market crumbles. 2001, people really doubted the internet. 2008, system broke. 2017, people doubted whether Bitcoin would ever be accepted. 2021, people thought crypto was a fraud and questioned whether anything in crypto would work. Here in 2025, Bitcoin is being adopted by governments, blockchains are being adopted by institutions, and world markets are at all-time highs with more liquidity on the way. No government can tighten right now, and for all intents and purposes, nothing is broken. We have had a 25% correction, as is normal for any Bitcoin cycle, even this one. And now sentiment is bottom, new hands are fearful, and funding rates have finally turned negative. Now you have a choice to make. Are you buying the same conditions that have made millionaires so many times, or are you bear posting for clout? I know what I'm doing all in. So I thought this was a great post. It's yeah, everyone talks about, buying the fear and all that, and that's when real money's made. But it takes some courage to actually act on that. And that's what Rand's saying here, saying he's all in. We've seen it multiple times. And I agree. I mean, especially this comment right here. We're seeing all this bullish stuff that the Trump administration's doing with legislation. Coinbase is there in Washington. They're working on things. I think we're going to see all-time highs coming up soon. Definitely with Trump in office for another 3 years. I don't think it's over for crypto. We're just getting started here. So Monkey, I think, is just gonna somewhat follow the broader market. But when the broader market runs, I think Monkey's gonna run even harder just because of the mind share we have and also the great community with that strong floor. So I'm still super bullish. So good post here by Rand. CZ here, obviously the legend says every dip, some people think it's the end of time, time continues. CZ's been through multiple dips. He's a billionaire. He knows he's gone to prison. He knows about the ups and downs, and he's not being shaken. I don't think we should either. Alex Becker here says the absolute certainty of people calling a bear market on here makes me think this is a bear trap. I can't fathom every account and reply guy nailing this and buying back lower. I agree when everyone starts saying it's over, it's over, it's over. It normally means it's absolutely not over. And so, I mean, that's not, that's obviously not a perfect analysis, but in general, I agree. People seem to overreact a bit here on CT, which is an understatement, but Cotton here, I thought I had a good post an hour ago. Just a picture that says nobody cares, work harder. That's how I'm feeling about Monkey. Yeah, it's red, but whether it's red or green, it doesn't matter. We're here to work our bags and we'll keep on working. I'll keep on making videos. Everyone's going to keep on making memes. So I see the community out there working. Let's just keep going. And I think we're going to recover overall. Murad here says, quotes, I wish I was there for Bitcoin in 2013. And he says, but would you recognize it? And then he talks about SPX is literally Bitcoin in 2013. That's how I feel about Monkey. It's everybody wishes they had a time machine to go back, but we have a chance here, something special with Monkey, and I see it. I see the potential with Monkey and the low market cap, and I think we have a unique opportunity here. And I think I would add to what he says here is would you recognize it? And to me, if you even bought Bitcoin back in 2013, could you hold for 10 years or more? I don't think most of us could. We would have taken profits or sold on a dip or something like that. So I think part of this recognizing the next big thing and being extremely early is that you still have to hold when the market cap's low, when it's red, before you see those parabolic gains. So I think holding right now for Monkey is key. Can you hold? Just hold on to your bag. I mean, you have one goal is just to hold on to your bag or add more if you can. And Murad here also says, don't hold too many meme coins. Just buy the top leaders and stick with them. Be honest how many coins you're holding right now. I my portfolio is super small and the key holding is Monkey right now. And so I kind of just pick one and just go crazy and chill it. And that's what I'm doing with Monkey. I think it's the best buy in crypto right now in terms of value when comparing the market cap to mindshare. So I'm all in on Monkey. I'm gonna keep holding and keep chilling and adding. Solid here had a good post. I thought waiting for perfect entries is a trap. If you see some good buys, you can start buying. You don't need a full port necessarily if you think it's going to go lower, but just sitting on the sideline and waiting for the bottom and the perfect entry is a trap. I mean, if you think Monkey's a good buy right now, now's the time to get it because who knows what could happen in the next couple days. Remember the downward trend here can take multiple days, but look how quick the rise comes. We just have an example just in the last month or so with Monkey. You could see the downward trend taking multiple days. Look how quickly it's made up. So when we run, it's going to run hard. And you don't want to be monkey lined. So I think that's a good post here from Solid. Don't get trapped waiting for a perfect entry. Start accumulating when the chart's down. Tom here, Monkey Holder, had a good post, I thought. Faith is tested in a storm. We've been in storms many times, and always after the storm, a bright day occurs. That's perfectly said by Tom for crypto, is that in the past, it's bounced back, and we have no reason to believe it's not going to, especially with all the bullish macro stuff we see with Trump and all the regulation and just how governments and countries are accepting Bitcoin. Crypto's coming out of the shadows, and I think we're in great shape for an incredible run at some point. And Monkey's going to be right there, I think, as one of the top memes, well-known memes. I'm sticking by my target. I think we're going to hit the billions. All right, thanks everyone. I hope everyone has a great weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to follow Monkey Soul underscore. See you guys.